Ryan has our chilly forecast. What really struck me today was bright sunshine.
Yeah.
And I didn't see any hint of melting.
Yeah.
Yes, ineffective
Piles
sunshine.
were just staying there.
Right. By the way, we'll have sun tomorrow, and it's actually our earliest sunset. So you have that going for us.
Because then we improve after.
Yes,
that.
the mornings we're still losing time, but in the afternoon we gradually start making it up.
Well, encouraging news on a Monday.
Yeah, we got some progress. Just to update you on where we stand this month, this includes today. If you look at the first 8 days of December, this is the coldest since 2002 in Portland and Augusta for the first 8 days of December, and since 1989 in Bangor. And yes, winters are warming, our climate overall is warming, but goes to show you can still get a cold winter on occasion. And this certainly looks like one is shaping up this winter. 11 right now in Bangor, 16 in Portland, we're at 5 in Freiburg. Sky is mostly clear over New Hampshire and Maine right now. High pressure to our west is sending down the cold air from Canada, and actually cold enough to have snow today in Virginia and parts of North Carolina. Wind lightens up tonight, so the wind chill not too much of a factor from here on out. Actual air temperatures tomorrow morning in the single digits along the coast and below zero for most in inland and up north. Lots of sunshine to start the day tomorrow. Again, fairly ineffective sun. Not much wind out there tomorrow either. There will be some clouds that develop during the afternoon, and I think it feels a small bit better tomorrow. Not a ton, but 26 in Portland for the high, 22 in Bangor, and teens across the far north. Tomorrow night, there's going to be a little disturbance that swings through toward and after midnight with some snow showers. In central and southern Maine, spotty coatings, perhaps up to an inch. It looks like over down east Maine, a couple of the models intensify this a bit. So in a couple of hours overnight tomorrow night, you might pick up 2 or 3 inches in parts of Hancock and Washington counties. That is out of here though by Wednesday morning. I think almost all of us have a dry start to the day on Wednesday. You just might have a little snow. You got to get out of the way before the morning commute. Next system very quickly comes in on its heels during the day on Wednesday. However, the setup's a little bit different. The wind will be coming in out of the south, and that means there will be a rain-snow line despite how cold it is outside right now. It looks like pretty much just snow or rain. Not concerned about any ice, it's just in the low levels will warm up. So by noon on Wednesday, a lot of us dealing with snow across the interior, maybe a little brief snow on the coast that then changes over to rain. And it's just a chilly rain in a lot of coastal, southern, central Maine, down east Maine for that matter, too, Wednesday afternoon. Farther inland, though, the Lakes region, the Oxford Hills up around Route 2, and certainly into northern Maine, it's cold enough for this snow will accumulate Wednesday afternoon, and there will be a little slick travel for the evening commute. Nothing heavy, it's not a big storm, and it gets out of here pretty quickly Wednesday night and is long gone by Thursday morning. So again, there could be a little snow tomorrow night, but the bulk of this for interior areas comes in Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday night. Coatings up to an inch possible, Bangor, Augusta, Waterville, Lewiston, down to about the Sebago Lake region in northern York County. That changes to rain. In this blue shaded area though, which includes the Oxford Hills, Route 2, you get mostly snow and probably 1 to 3 inches, and perhaps a bit heavier totals up over far northern Maine, 3 to 6 inches of snow there. Pattern's not changing. Get used to the cold over the next week or two. This is an outlook for next week, and it still looks like colder than average temperatures are going to continue around here. Seas tomorrow, 2 to 3 feet, southwesterly winds 10 to 15 knots on the water. So sun to start tomorrow morning. It is a frigid morning with temps below zero inland and in the single digits on the coast. A quick round of some snow tomorrow night that could drop some light accumulations. And then on Wednesday, inland you started snow. Some of you see a change to rain along the coastline. That looks like mainly rain. And 2 cold shots in that 7-day, Friday and then Monday.
Oof, here we go.
Yeah, the snow we get, it's not going anywhere either.
No.
All right, Ryan, thank you.
You're welcome.